Welcome back everyone to the new video of Bunker Study Point Object-Oriented Programming using C++. In the last video, the question given was write a program to get quadratic equation of term ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and calculate the roots with the hint given using function sqrt or square root that is included in the header file math.h. First, let's discuss the basic principle. Here it is clear that we need to input three variables a, b and c. So starting the program, this is simple, that get the value of a, get the value of b, get the value of c and then c in. We all know that in mathematics there is a formula for the root, that root is equal to minus b plus minus a whole root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. So writing this expression in the programming term, we get d is equal to sqrt in brackets b star b minus 4 star a star c. Here star is the multiplicative operator, minus is used for the minus, and we can see that this whole value will be computed and then sent into the sqrt function that will provide the square root back to us and will store it in d. R1 is equal to minus b plus d whole by 2 star a, that is here taking the plus sign first, and then R2 the second root will be taking the minus sign, minus b minus d whole by 2 star a. So then the simple cout statement, that roots are, that's the message, then value of R1, then again a message and then R2 the value of the second root, and then followed by endl or new line character. Let's take an example. Enter value of a, we input 1, enter value of b, we input 2, and on c we get 1. And on compiling the whole program, we will get two roots as minus 1 and minus 1. The both roots will be same. So this is all about the solution for the given question. Now coming to today's topic, we will study a new topic today, that is conditional statements. Conditional statements are statements which when they are true, then the following statement or a group of statement or a block, we can say, will be getting executed. Otherwise it will be skipped and transferred to the statement following the whole clause. Taking if in this case, as if is the first conditional statement we will be studying about. Second point is conditional expression can be exploited to be any expression, function call, literal, constant, string functions, macros, which results in some numerical value. That is, the conditional expression should finally provide a boolean or integer or float or any numerical value in return. Okay, or it can also be character value. An important point to note here is that only 0 is considered to be a false or negative statement, and rest all values are true as per Boolean algebra. So coming to our first statement, that is if. Here are the introductory statements of if. When there is only one test block, we use if statement, that is only one expression is needed to be checked. Then the if statement evaluates the test expression inside the parenthesis. Now this is the standard feature of any programming language, that the first line following any statement, any conditional, iterative, loop or whatever will come across in future, the first statement is by default believed to be the body of the statement. We can extend this body by using curly braces as in the main method. Second point is the if statement evaluates the test expression inside the parenthesis. That is, the keyword will be if, then a bracket open or parenthesis will be opened, and then there will be an expression that will finally provide us with a numerical or character value, and then the parenthesis will close. Third point we come across is if test expression evaluated to be true, that is the value we get is non-zero, then statement inside the body of if will get executed. The body can be seen here as in curly braces, and if the condition turns out to be false, that we will get a 0 value in return, then this whole body will be skipped. Let's have a sample program. Write a program to input a number and print it if it is greater than 10. Otherwise, we will skip printing it. So the program will be simply as this. void main, the main function, then integer a, the only variable we will be using in this program, then cout statement, enter a number, c in a, getting the value. Okay, and then there is our if clause. If parenthesis open a greater than 10 parenthesis close, this is the test expression, and the braces, inside the braces we get cout a and l. So this statement, if a is greater than 10, then our cout statement will be executed, otherwise it will be skipped and we will reach the end of main. So let's see, on the output window we can see that there is a message, enter value of a. Suppose the user enter 57, the program outputs 57 in return. So that will be all for today. This was the first conditional statement if in the language C++. Now the question for the next video is, write a program to input 3-digit number and check whether it is Armstrong number or not. So for those who don't know what an Armstrong number is, here's the simple definition in this case. Suppose we have a number a, b, c, that is a into 100 plus b into 10 plus c, and we take each digit separately, that is a, b and c, each digit separately we take and cube it, that is a cube, b cube and c cube, and then add it, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. That should turn out to be equal to a into 100 plus b into 10 plus c, that is the original number. And the solution will be provided in the start of the next video. Thanks for watching it. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel for more future updates.